Hello, today we will guide you through how to use XM Trading Platform. To begin, open XM in your browser and make sure you are on the main account area. This is the starting point for navigating the platform and accessing the different trading features available to you. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds so all menu options appear properly before continuing. Once you are on the platform, click on Market. This section is where you can explore the instruments and trading opportunities offered on XM. It serves as a central area for viewing available markets, so it is a good place to start if you want a broad look at what the platform provides. Next, click on Portfolio. The Portfolio area helps you review your positions and gives you a more organized view of your trading activity. This section is useful when you want to monitor what you are currently holding or simply keep track of your account activity in one place. Take a moment here to become familiar with the layout, since this part of the platform is often revisited. After that, click on Copy Trading. This will take you to the Copy Trading area, where you can explore options related to following trading strategies. If you are new to this feature, it is a good idea to move slowly through the interface and read the labels on the page so you understand what each section is for before making any decisions. From there, click on Competitions. This section allows you to view active or available competitions within the platform. It is designed to help users find trading contests or similar promotional events. Depending on the current platform layout, you may see different listings, so look carefully to make sure you are selecting the correct area. Next, click on More. This menu usually expands additional options that may not be visible in the main navigation. If you do not immediately see what you need, the More section is often where extra tools and features are grouped together. This can be especially helpful when navigating a platform with several categories. Finally, click on Copy Trading again. This step brings you directly back into the relevant copy trading section from the expanded menu, helping you access that feature through an alternate navigation path. This is useful to know because some platform tools can be reached from more than one location, and understanding both paths can make navigation faster in the future. That's it. You have now seen how to move through key areas of the XM Trading Platform, including market, portfolio, competitions, and copy trading. As you continue using the platform, take your time exploring each section so you can become more comfortable with the layout and find features more efficiently.